Yung mga tita kasi, oh, guys, gusto nang gisingin yung mga bata. Yung mga tita. Kasi magbabakasyon to eh. So, mamimiss nila yung mga kids. Uy!
Tay, maligo natin para si ano. Ito sa Austin.
Gamit niya.
Hindi.
Good morning!
Kahit talaga ano natin sa ingay, hindi nagigising.
Kaya gagamitin. Pag ito magkasya, ilagay ko iba sa...
Ito nakapus eh. Good morning! Hi, vlog. Hi, vlog. Hey, good morning. Morning na. Hi, guys.
Hi guys! Hi guys! Hi guys!
Hey, hey, hey. Hey. Hug banana? Hug banana? Mine banana? Mine, 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 mine. Mine, mine. Hey, 1, 2, 3, cry, be. 1, 2, 3. Kuya, wake up. 1, 2, 3. Kuya. 1, 2, 3.
Morning guys! Hi guys!
Going to...
Bye-bye guys! See you dear!
Yeah, boy.
See you mama ya!
See you, Papa Lo.
See you papa you!
See you, Tito Bradex.
See you Tito Bade!
See you, Kuya Kiddy.
Kuya Kitty.
Kiki!
Ate Lia.
Adi Dian!
Yo, yo,
Tita
yo.
Nanat.
Tita Nanat!
Mama Lakdat.
Mami Yagdat!
Mami
And
Lakdat.
Tito.
Tito Dustin!
See you mamaya. Give Kuya. Wow, very good. Wait lang. Hey, that's pretty good.
Sakay!
Where are you going?
Tito Din!
Hi guys.
Tetes!
Hi guys, bye-bye. Flying kiss. Pakit, pakit, pakit. Hey, that's pretty good.
Sige na. Look mo yung cellphone. Aalis na ako. Aalis na. Baby, fresh na.
Hi guys. Alis na kami guys. Let's go na. Mababay na, Stormy.
Hi guys!
We're going to...
Going to Davao! Tito guys! Tito Artisan! Tito Dian! Tito Bye-bye!
Hi guys, today is December 30. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon ay pupunta tayo ng Davao, Digos, sa hometown ni Lover. Doon tayo magsa-celebrate ng New Year. So, may practice ngayon yung Ginebra. So, si Scotty, doon na tayo magkikita sa airport. So, hi boss! Hi guys!
Hi boss Sidin!
Hi boss Edwin! So, ayun guys, see you sa airport.
Yo, what up guys, dito naman sa airport. It's a long day for us today. Kasi magkakaroon tayo na wala tayong yaya ngayong araw. Expela natin yung tatlong weeks.
Let's go. Thank you. Up slowly.
Wait for ate.
Wait lang. We're about to board. And Astra is crushing. Also, Austin is big.
Hi, vlog. Hi, vlog. Sumilip kasi siya, sir, nag-selfie.
Here na.
Here na.
Bye-bye, Kuya guys.
Bye-bye, baby.
Oh, yan eh.
Ayaw magpahap.
Let's go.
Here na. Welcome to Davao.
Davao.
Hi guys.
Welcome to
What is this?
Davao.
Hi guys, hi guys. I'm here na sa Davao.
Okay. Hold, Aster.
Oh!
Wait, wait.
Hey!
Here in
Woo! So, hey guys. Hey guys. Go! Hi, bye.
What is this? Let's go.
Ito.
Mas pro.
Bakit dan? Kakalan.
Jump.
Yeah! So, hey guys.
We're here na.
Oh, here na. Here's airplane.
Here, airplane. Airport.
Airport. Airport.
Hot naman. Si Justin. Si Justin amo.
Hey guys. Hi guys.
You happy? Kuya Kate. Oh, Kuya Kate. Uy, nag-bless ka ni Tati. Nag-high-five ka.
Welcome to Davao.
Justin, come here. Nag-isa ka
Ako
na.
sila dyan. Dito.
Tito Justin, Tito Justin.
Alam ko yan. Mami lakad.
Uy! Oh!
Oh, review. Yes, review.
Sino pa?
Kita nanan. Uy, no.
Aster is...
Yo, what up guys? So dito na kami ngayon sa Davao. Of course, pagkalan namin, dumiretso kami dito sa one of the best restaurant dito sa Davao, which is the Lovely. Twice na kami na kain dito. So, sobrang gutom na guys. Sobrang delay yung flight namin, no? 1 oras din. So, supposedly, dito na kami mga 2-ish. Nakarating kami dito, almost 4 na. So, kaya sobrang gutom, di kami nag-lunch paglipad. So that's it, dito kami and kasama na namin yung family namin at yung mga kids, ginawang playground ng aming kinakainan. Let's go! Davao. Happy New Year.
That's the ball.
Apple.
Good apple.
Base na.
Yan po.
Smile! Okay. Slowly. Slowly. Ay! 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 Wala na, andyan na si Mami. Andyan na Mami. Ay! Andyan na Mami.
Ito ata kasi $110. Walk na oh, Kuya Kitty, walk oh.
Bye!
Sige na.
Alias, Pen.
Bye! Sa vlog. Hi guys! Hi guys!
Hi, guys.
I'm here with Ate Guard.
Okay, go.
Friend na kami.
Come
Spam.
Miss Bob. Bye-bye na Ate Kring, Ate Pao. Bye-bye na. Mauwi. Give Tito Terbe, give Tito Terbe. Commercial, commercial. Tayo guys. Last one. Ay, ubus na guys.
What? Want more? Huh? Want more? Daddy, want more daw.
Want more?
Wow, say please.
Kiss.
Bye-bye na. Bye-bye guys. Bye-bye Kuya Tantam.